Hello. This video is designed to show you how to do calculations with an Excel spreadsheet. Excel has hundreds of different built-in calculations, called functions, that will save you time and effort when working with numbers. In order to save us time, we have some data already entered in the spreadsheet for us. Here we see the populations of 12 US states. Let's say we want to add them all up and put the total in at the bottom of the list. There are several ways to do this, and one of them can be found on the Insert menu. We click on Insert, then on Function. Excel has functions listed in categories, and we see that Sum is at the top of the list of commonly used functions. We click on OK, and Excel starts the function for us. We need to fill in the numbers that we want to add up, but instead of the numbers themselves, we are going to use the locations of those numbers, called cell references. Our populations start in cell B2 and end in B13, and we separate those references with a colon. The sum function, like all other Excel functions, uses parentheses, so we close the parentheses. A quicker way to do this might be to use the AutoSum function, which usually appears on the toolbar of the home screen. Let's say we decide to find the average population in all of the states listed. We'll go to the home screen, click on the arrow next to AutoSum, and choose Average. Excel automatically includes the cell references in the column above, but we only want the average from cell B2 to cell B13, so we have to make that change before we hit Enter. There are plenty of other functions that Excel has built in to make it easier for you to do your calculations. We suggest that you take the time to become familiar with some of those functions so that you can use them to make your work with spreadsheets easier.